Isang linggo na nga lang bago mag-Miss Universe Philippines 2026 Finals, ramdam na natin ang init ng kompetisyon. This coming May to magtatagpo na nga ang pinakamahusay na kandidata para sa corona at unti-unti na nga lumilinaw na ang top crown ay tila umiikot lang sa dalawang pambato. At ramdam na nga ngayon ang bangayan ng magkabilang kampo dahil inaasahan nga ng mga pageant fans ang isang matinding bakbakan sa pagitan ng dalawang rinang itinuturing ngang ladies to beat this edition. Noong nag-uumpisa tayo ng Pebrero, akala natin si ganyan, si ganon, si ganito ang one to beat. Akala natin sila at silang malinaw na kailangan pataubin. But at this point, the 2026 Miss Universe Philippines edition is really a battle between Bea Milian Windorsky and Bella Ismael. Both women bring impressive credentials, commanding stage presence and strong fan support, making them the front runners in what promises to be a thrilling finale. However, there are supporters na talagang may bato pa rin sa isa't isa. Like for Bea, palagi binabato sa kanya, she's not Filipino enough. There are even comments that she's just simply using the Philippine sash as a stepping stone to her pageant career. But looking at it from a positive perspective, her journey actually highlights the global reach of Filipino identity. And rather than being a disadvantage, her international upbringing and experience give her a unique edge as she's a world-class pageant pedigree. At sa huli, she embodies the idea that being a Filipino is not limited to where you were born or raised. It's about choosing our country and carrying the flag wherever you go. Meanwhile, for Bella, some fans point out a perceived downside, like she brings an alta or an elite aura that can make her seem less relatable to everyday audience. Sometimes nga, it create an impression that she's reserved or distant. In addition, laging pinupukol sa kanya yung height niya. While elegant, it doesn't always match the towering presence of other candidates na occasionally hina-highlight nga ng mga critics. Sa kabilang banda, these very qualities also set her apart. Her sophistication and poise give her a timeless MU appeal. Her ability to communicate with grace shows that relatability can come not just from background, but from authenticity and sincerity on stage. Her height, meanwhile, has never hindered her performance. Instead, she's using it to project balance, confidence, and fluidity in movement. Ultimately, she embodies the idea that being relatable is not about blending in. It's about showing your heart, humility, and purpose. So for now, the narrative is clear. It's Bea versus Bella. And for every pageant season, frontrunners never immune to every criticism. At yung mga perception nga na ito ay nag-a-add nga ng drama sa competition. Yet, they also open the door for other candidates to rise. So the big questions becomes, if not Bea or Bella, then who? Sino-sino nga ang susunod sa kanila? Sino-sino ang mga pumapagit ng candidates? I-comment nyo na nga dyan sa baba, gagawa natin yan ng content next.